Hi there, I'm Marie. Today, I want to share with you how I crochet the double crochet stitch. This is by far the most versatile stitch in the art of crocheting. It is also the most often used stitch in crochet patterns. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to make a swatch like this. You can use any yarn and its matching hook size for this practice project. We begin by tying a slip knot. We'll create a chain to set the foundation for our double crochet stitches. Let's make 20 links in our chain for this practice piece. Once I've completed 20 chains, I insert a marker to make it easier to spot the stitch on the next pass. Now we'll build the height by adding stitches upwards. To create our first stitch, we make 3 chains substitute as 1 double crochet stitch. These 3 chains are about the same height as a double crochet. This is the spot where we'll place the second stitch, right next to the marked chain. You start by taking the hook and going under the yarn and bringing it over from back to front. This is called yarn over. By doing it, you have added a loop on the hook. Next, insert the hook into the chain, yarn over and draw up a loop. That makes 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops left on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. So this is how to work a double crochet stitch. You notice we loop the yarn through the stitches twice during the process. Let's continue with the next stitch. First, we'll yarn over, then insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over one more time and pull through both loops. That's another double crochet stitch. Let's do some more for practice. First, we'll yarn over, then insert the hook into the next chain and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over again and pull through 2. Okay, follow the same sequence in each of the remaining chains. When we get to the last stitch, I'll show you how to transition to row 2. Here, the first row is complete. You should now have a total of 20 double crochet stitches. We start the second row with what's known as a turning chain. For double crochet, the turning chain is 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. As you recall, we also did 3 chains at the beginning of row 1. Now turn the work over and we'll continue from the reverse side. As a reminder, this spot is part of the first stitch. You work the second stitch here, directly above the second stitch from the previous row. First, you yarn over, then insert the hook into the chain, Pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. Repeat the previous steps for each of the remaining stitches on this row, and I'll meet you at the end. Here, the marker indicates we have 1 stitch left. Place a stitch on the top of the 3 chains we made from the previous row. Just follow the natural flow of the stitch and insert the hook. Row 2 is done. You should have 20 double crochet stitches. We'll move on to row 3. Chain 3 and turn the work over. From here on out, every row repeats the previous row. Practice with as many rows as you like. After looping the last stitch, then make 1 more chain and draw the yarn through completely, leaving about 6 inches behind. The last chain serves as a slip knot and it fastens securely. Weave in the loose ends and you're done. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more, be sure to subscribe and check out my other videos. Bye for now.